I'm getting there. I'm using a smaller wand. The heat goes up to 230, which means that I have to be really careful and only keep it on my hair for like 5 seconds. So we'll do one section. I'm not taking massive sections, but I am wearing my heat glove this time because that wand is down hot and it scares me a little bit. I wanted tighter curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, this is pronounce that. I don't know. It's a 5-in-1 styler. Okay, so you've got like different heads and attachments that you can use on it. Like a big fat tong, which I don't find works particularly well. Medium-sized tong, a bigger one than this. It's also got this little small wand, and I'm like, And my first section, I'm gonna be honest, as the hair gets longer on the top, it's easier. The first bits, oh, did I struggle? Will I burn on my neck? I didn't burn my neck. But you see how fast? Oh my god, it's so quick. So quick. Let's finish this section. So what's lacking in like, oh, fiddlesome, you gain in speed that you're not there with your holding it up for hours. Oh no. But by George, do not keep this on very long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is more than enough. Because you have to take smaller sections as well, and it's darn hot. Anything longer than that, and you'll end up like that girl, and end up melting your hair off. I always struggle with this side. Oy. So I kind of wrap it around, and then roll it up a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do-do-do-do. Boing. Still saying what? Fair play. I feel like Michael Jackson. Hee hee! For the bare necessities and make it bare necessity. Forget about your worries and your strife. Amen. In the bare necessity. Yeah, man. Okay, I think this front section I'm gonna do like on an angle and take it slightly wider up, further at the barrel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is all is needed. Actually, it does scare me how hot this gets. Bigger section. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if I feel 80s or 40s right now. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's more than enough. We done. Just gotta wait for this to cool down. See if there's any straight bits. Oh. Sneaky. That's the fun thing about them being so tight, is that You can spot your straight bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's more than enough. But a dong, dong, dong. I can honestly say, I don't think my hair's been this curly since my mum permed it in 1993. Yeah, as I recall, I got called Mick Hucknall in school. Oh, 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 oh. Needs one. I haven't used my wand in ages. I normally only use it when I've got my long extensions in. I'm going to attempt to use it on my shorter hair that I've just highlighted myself. $13, $14, $15. My arm's aching. Yeah, don't worry, I'm going to brush it out. I'm just going to wait for it to curl. Cool. I done my curls. I use the Babyliss Pro styling tool curl. I use the smallest part of the wand. It does come with a protective glove. I don't like to use it. I just don't. I can't feel what I'm doing. I'm taking the sections because I go very much by feel on the back. See if I have any. So I'm just going to wait for this to dry. Dry. Cool. I'm going to wait for this to cool. And then brush it through. So it cooled. I literally just raked my fingers through it because I don't want to lose too much of the curl. I'm going to be using Draco. That's not very good. Draco, hair shake. Draco. I love a Draco. This is a liquid to powder texturizer. And I'm pretty damn nice with it. So it's kind of sprays on wet, and then you kind of rub it in. Not kind of, you rub it in. I don't know why I say these things. And just, and it gives you this hold that, like, if you've got hairspray and your hair goes crispy and you don't like that, that stuff's for you. That's just great. So, I'm loving my new really blonde hair. What do you guys think? Do you like the wand curls? Because when I do GHD curls, Cloud9 curls, I never go really curly on top, something like proper curly mop top. Just need some blingy earrings now. And I'm done.